hours for not something. Muted. That's like annoying.
That is pretty annoying.
That's clever. Okay, now I'm starting to get seriously pissed off. He fucking gets eaten by fucking wolves or something.
And that's just obnoxious.
Fucking more obnoxious than you.
Hey, I'm not.
I swear to fucking God, I will. Do I have you added on? Do I have you added on MSN? Because we can just go talk on MSN. We don't need fucking Ventrilo. Do I have you added on MSN? Because I'm not gonna sit around for this shit. Fucking bitch. I hope you have fucking fun with that. Bye.
I hope they aren't doing a server wipe. If they are, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah, me too. Damn, that's gonna pop in my ears.
What?
That popped in my ears. How?
Yeah, me too. Who was it that was doing that? Yeah, and that's why I muted him, even if you stop.
Come on. Bullshit!
Is it bullshit?
This bozo over here.
Wow, that kid's retarded as fuck.
I'm a secret agent. Are we clear?
The big thing is to mute him first before you can concentrate on what you're actually fucking doing. And at that point, you start to question, why don't we have Kim Jong-il, who is a full member of TGT, or TG for that matter, who is fucking respectable.
Yeah, but no, he's AFK, man.
Holy shit, he's a fucking faggot. He's a fucking faggot. Oh my god. Can you please stop?
Bullshit! I'm a secret agent. Come on.
This sounds really staticky, man.
Come on. Bullshit! I'm a secret agent.
Are you?
Yeah?
For who?
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Yeah?
You're a secret agent for Frankenstein?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
How do you IP mute someone?
I don't think you can.
Unlikely. Come on.
Come on, what?
I'm a secret
What do
agent.
you want me to come on?
I'm a secret agent. Are we clear?
understand.
So stop reading it. Jesus.
What fucking server are we supposed to
Kiss
play
my
now?
ass so I could beat the shit out of you. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Unlikely?
What's unlikely?
Now that's funny.
Is that funny?
I guess we better call this a day then.
Sounds like it.
Kiss my
We
ass
can only hope.
so I could beat the shit out of you. Are we clear?
So what's your name?
You know what? My friends call me X.
Why X?
I'm a secret agent.
I know. We already went over this.
I thought we had a deal.
What was the deal?
What the hell are you talking about? This bozo over here